just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine, so sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
Yeah.
The sand, what the Diesel Brothers use.
Pretty nice.
It's alright.
Does work, good work. It's what, a 50 horsepower, I guess. I'll take y'all around and show it to you. They've been on it all morning. Hell, it lifted a 1,500 pound plus culvert in the hole, so.
Somebody's already had that yet.
Yeah, sure it did. We rented it over in Hughes Springs from old Nick Fletcher. It's a SY50U. James said the only complaints he got about it. There's his phone number, y'all. Need a little bit longer tracks.
flashlight on?
No, you didn't have flashing light on. You had the headlights on this morning.
Yeah.
He beat me down there by about 20 minutes this morning. But it's a good little excavator for what it is. I can't complain about it. I was really surprised how well it dug. We tried to smooth driveway out, but y'all know how that works with a blade like that. But if y'all are in East Texas, y'all need one. He pretty fair on his prices. He worked with me because I had to get it yesterday evening. I gotta have it back in the morning.
You gotta have it back in the morning?
Yeah. But we pretty much, I mean, I'm gonna do a few other things with it, but we pretty much got everything done we needed. I'm gonna get on it and play this evening.